Eddie's goal in this year is to find a girlfriend. Everyone is welcome. Eddie appeared in Kowloon Tong to attend the premiere of the movie I Did It My Way. The movie's mainland box office revenue exceeded 300 million yuan. The premiere in Hong Kong attracted a large number of fans. Eddie said the goal is to find a girlfriend this year. If you have a goal, you will definitely succeed. Eddie has not set any conditions for choosing a girlfriend. He just lets things happen and jokes, "At my age, I don't have too many choices. The most important thing is to be able to talk. It's very difficult to meet someone in this industry. You can't meet girls until you leave this industry." He faced the camera and said everyone is welcome.